Thank you all for your dedication. Thank you for your focus. Thank you for being on this journey. I look forward to this day. I think we're gonna really engage you all with your need to understand how the operations are affected by the strategy. To be able to have all of these engaged partners at the table, working together, looking at the same goals, looking at the same vision, and really focusing on how they can contribute and what they want to get out of the day is crucial for success and really a part of our entire success.
I think the inclusiveness of the people that were in the room really lent itself to having better conversations, more robust conversations around the things that we've struggled with, our strategic goals and our safety and quality goals, and then what does the road map look like to get there.
Everyone in the room is passionate about their job, and we all have like one vision and one goal. And so the reason why everyone is so comfortable speaking up is because they feel like, okay, we can all discuss what our challenges are, but at some point we will find a solution to it. With so many leaders, I mean, even with their CEO, like people being transparent and vulnerable.
Most of these institutions cannot do the work that we do, the work that you do.
Having facilitators is very beneficial because we, as experts in the design thinking realm, we have led many events such as these, and we have seen the success, definitely seen in the metrics organization how sessions like this help foster that growth.
I really love the activity with the sailboat, the rocks and the anchors and the sun and the storms. I love that activity, and I think I'm going to incorporate that.
The game board experience, it was nice. It was actually shocking to see some of the challenges and the roadblocks, and I think they were called fires and roadblocks that were listed, because they are real problems that we have within our department.
It challenged everybody. I think what was really interesting is people were intimidated at first, but once they got the hang of it, it really allowed them to see far beyond what the actual game rules were and what our intent was behind the game. To really understand what Women and Children 2.0 really is to our team as well as our institution.
It made me feel empowered to do the work that I know that we need to do. It gave me hope, and I'm looking forward to working with all of the people that were in the room with us today to help come to those solutions.